Today I'm going to show you how to do scheduling automation for an order form. Today I'm going to show you in HighLevel how to do that. So the example here we have, this is the order. It fires when they place their order on the website. And then it'll go to a thank you page, which is the trigger here. And then it'll go through the sequence of the automation. So we're adding tag, we're creating an opportunity, and I'm going to show you how to set that all up. So some things that you have to set up a calendar. This is what it looks like in here. You have to set up a funnel page that'll host the calendar, schedule an appointment. Here's what the calendar looks like. And then you also have to do an order follow-up form to go into that calendar. And then we also have an opportunity where they can move through the pipeline as they get tagged, and you can fire other automations from there. Hey, Mark here. If you need help on your website editing, a WordPress website, or you have a high-level software website that you need help with, or automations, you can just reach out to us. The link below this page you're seeing right here, and you can fill out the form, and we will be in touch with you to help you out. Follow along here as we go through. Here's the automation, and the first few things that we do, we trigger after the thank you page is fired from the order on the website. It'll show the funnel page that we have here. Let's see, so this funnel page will show, which is this. This is the actual funnel page with the calendar inside it. So this fires after the order is placed on their online website. And then the customer will come in and they can select the date, fill in their information, and once they hit schedule a meeting, it then goes into the automation sequence here. So how do we get this form here? You go into, first you set up your calendar, which you would just click on the settings on the side here, calendar, and then you come in and you click on settings up on the top. And then you can change the information here. We have a little message here. So if I go back, we have this information there, the titles, all that stuff is on this is the calendar information. This is on the funnel page that you grab. You can also do notifications, how you want those to come in. You click the availability of the person who you want to assign it to. And then when that's done for the form, then you would select that in here and add it on your funnel page. We'll kind of go through here. So we're adding a tag, website order booked, opportunity. It's going to go into our pipeline here with new booking and their contact information on the pipeline that we've created. And then you can move them along here. Internal notification, we have a message here, so it's going to email the information here. Also have internal text message that's going to, and these all fire right away once that calendar is set. And then we wait 24 hours and we're going to send a follow-up reminder email, a follow-up text message to the customer. And then an hour before, we're going to send up another reminder email, another text message, and then 5 minutes before, remind the team and the customer of their appointment. So that's real quick how to do that. If you like this type of video, give me a thumbs up, like below, and we'll create more content like this for GoHighLevel. Thank you.